Hello, Mzali Tagazukos. Cecilebo recently appeared on a podcast where she spoke about what happened between her and Mr. Moloto. I must say she is a closed book and she didn't reveal too much details. This is what I picked up from the interview. Molebogen Rachidi, popularly known as Cecilebo, she is an entrepreneur. By the age of 22, she owned two Chisanyama businesses, a modeling agency, and she had secured a tender to build infrastructure for the Seshego RDP project. She also says she owned multiple properties and an e-hailing business. According to Cecilebo, she, Ntate Moloto, and Ntate Makhura co-founded the Latkak Rehabilitation Center for Seshego Zone 4. She claims that after a disagreement between the co-founders, Mr. Moloto fraudulently removed both her and Ntate Makhura from the business. She says they opened a criminal case, but nothing came of it. She also alleges that Mr. Moloto replaced them with his family members. After leaving the business, Cecilebo opened her own rehabilitation center called Latkak Rehabilitation Center, Cecilebo. She says the center charges 4,000 rand per client and she currently has around 150 clients. Based on those figures, Mzansi, that would amount to approximately 600,000 rand in client fees per month before expenses such as staff salaries, rent, food, transport, and other operating costs for paying the social worker, the doctor, and whatnot. Ntate Makhura also started his own rehabilitation center outside Polokwane called Latkak Rehabilitation Center Makhura. Another former employee, Chesterfield, also launched his own facility called Latkak Chesterfield Rehabilitation. He previously worked with Mr. Moloto Latkak Rehabilitation Center Koseshiro before starting his own independent rehabilitation center. Sometimes the Latkak J4. There's the one Mr. Moloto, Cecilebo, Mr. Makhura La Chesterfield. So these are the claims made by Cecilebo during the podcast. What are your thoughts on the ongoing dispute between the former business partners? Share your opinion in the comment section below.
You're no longer with Moloto. How you don't do wakey?
No. I don't. Actually, I'm against that.
You don't approve that.
Yeah, Banabak, remember Lebona Rosas. Hence, I was telling you, oil police. Imagine, a tlile o tlo o tshwara. A ra wa re wa wena ke a o tseba wena. Wena a se wena ola o ne o tswella mo di-video-ong wena lephodisa la drike o tlo tshwara nna. Obviously, ha ho kgonagala, ha kgonagala. Bana bale ba sa nang le future. So we must stop this thing ya go trendisha bana ba batho ka di-social media. Not that I'm jealous, but these people, they've got future. You know, you understand? Ba na le ba tlo ba basadi ba batho, ba tlo ba banna ba batho. So we must try to protect their dignity.
But isn't it good for people to see where a person is coming from, where you took a person, and how the person was when Atsamele?
I sharp is wa tsa ke ra I sharp o ka se motho a robetse mo mpetong a le wa tsa go le mo mpetong it's like o ka toilet o
Mosamelo wa
ee a kgonagala a zama o kry-a other ways ya go bolela le ena yes o ka no bolela le ena nthong e le ka dandromora gape re tlo o tšea re o iša rehab it's still okay and yena if o nyako go bolela story sa gage ka bolela ke rona le batho ba bantši celebrities e le goreng kile ya ba di-drug addicts then ba botša lefase gore bone kile ya ba di-drug addicts but no ba fodile then ba fiwa chance but o tšeiwa ka gara bedroom that's so embarrassing ba bangwe ba ba tšere bana ba hakile dipudi imagine o tlo jola le ena monna mojatšo aowa man ka nnete it's not funny guys it's
So sorry.
it's not